Hello everyone. Today let's transport our homes to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean. Imagine bright, airy spaces, vibrant colors and natural textures. That's the beauty of Mediterranean style. It's warm, inviting and bursting with life. This aesthetic is all about bringing the outdoors in. Think sun-drenched colors, rustic textures and natural materials. Picture the azure waters of the Greek islands, the terracotta rooftops of Italy and the vibrant bougainvillea cascading over sun-baked walls. The Mediterranean palette is a celebration of nature's colors. Warm, earthy tones like terracotta, olive green and deep blue dominate. These are often accented with pops of bright colors like sunny yellow, vibrant turquoise and fiery orange. The key is to create a harmonious blend of these colors and textures. This creates a space that feels both relaxing and invigorating. Just like a Mediterranean villa, your home should be a sanctuary. It should be a place where you can unwind and recharge, surrounded by beauty and comfort. Before we embark on our DIY decorating journey, let's gather our tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Most of these items can be found around your home or at your local craft store. For painting projects, we'll need acrylic paints in our chosen Mediterranean hues. Brushes of various sizes will help us achieve different effects. Don't forget a palette for mixing colors and some painter's tape to protect surfaces. Terracotta pots, easily found at garden centers, will form the base for many projects. We'll transform them into decorative planters, candle holders and more. For our wall art, we'll be using canvas, textured paper and even pieces of reclaimed wood. Gather up any interesting fabrics, buttons or beads you might have around. These will add unique touches to our creations. Lastly, don't forget the glue gun, scissors and a measuring tape. These trusty tools will come in handy throughout our DIY adventures. Let's begin with a classic painting, terracotta pots. These humble pots are a staple of Mediterranean decor. With a little paint, we can transform them into unique and eye-catching accents. First, choose your paint colors. Earthy tones like terracotta, olive green and cobalt blue work beautifully. You can also opt for brighter hues like sunny yellow or turquoise for a bolder look. Once you've chosen your colors, it's time to paint. You can create stripes, patterns, or even paint the entire pot a single color. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. For a distressed, rustic look, try dry brushing. Dip your brush lightly in the paint and wipe off any excess. Then use light, feathery strokes to apply the paint to the pot. This technique allows the natural texture of the terracotta to show through, creating a charmingly aged effect. Once your pots are dry, plant them with your favorite herbs, flowers, or succulents. They'll instantly add a touch of Mediterranean charm to your home. Section 4, Wall Art Wonders, capturing Mediterranean spirit. Next, let's create some Mediterranean-inspired wall art. This is a wonderful way to bring color, texture, and personality to your walls. One simple idea is to create a textured canvas using fabric scraps. Choose fabrics in earthy tones and bold patterns reminiscent of Mediterranean textiles. Cut the fabric into different shapes and sizes and arrange them on your canvas using fabric glue. For a more rustic look, try using reclaimed wood as your canvas. Paint it a distressed white or blue, and then add your design. You can paint a simple motif like an olive branch or a sun, or get creative and paint a favorite Mediterranean quote. If you enjoy working with paper, try your hand at creating a mosaic using colorful tissue paper. Cut the tissue paper into small squares and attach them to a piece of cardboard using decoupage glue. Arrange the squares to create a mosaic pattern inspired by traditional Mediterranean designs. Section 5, Illuminating Ambience, crafting wrought iron candle holders. No Mediterranean-inspired home is complete without the warm glow of candlelight. Let's create some charming candle holders using wrought iron. You can find inexpensive wrought iron pieces at flea markets or thrift stores. Look for items like old candle holders, trivets, or even small wall sconces. With a little creativity, these can be transformed into unique and beautiful candle holders. Once you've found your wrought iron pieces, clean them thoroughly and let them dry completely. If desired, you can give them a fresh coat of paint. Black, white, or even a distressed metallic finish would look lovely. To add a touch of rustic charm, wrap twine or jute rope around the base of the candle holder. Secure the ends with a dab of hot glue. You can also add decorative elements like beads, charms, or even small sprigs of dried lavender. Place your finished candle holders on a mantelpiece, bookshelf, or dining table. As the candles flicker, they'll cast a warm and inviting glow, creating the perfect ambience for a relaxing evening. Section 6. Mosaic Magic, designing a Mediterranean tabletop. Let's add some Mediterranean flair to our furniture with a mosaic tabletop. This project is a bit more involved, but the stunning results are well worth the effort. For this project, you'll need a sturdy table that you're willing to transform. You'll also need mosaic tiles, tile adhesive, grout, and a grout float. Begin by cleaning the tabletop thoroughly and sanding it lightly to create a better surface for the tiles to adhere to. Then plan your mosaic design. You can create a geometric pattern, a floral design, or even a simple border. Once you've planned your design, begin attaching the tiles to the tabletop using tile adhesive. Work in small sections to ensure that the adhesive doesn't dry out before you have a chance to place the tiles. After the adhesive has dried, mix up your grout according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use the grout float to spread the grout over the tiles, pressing it into the spaces between them. Wipe away any excess grout with a damp sponge. Allow the grout to dry completely before sealing the tabletop with a tile sealant. This will protect your beautiful mosaic from spills and stains. Section 7. Beyond DIY, infusing Mediterranean essence. Beyond these DIY projects, there are many other ways to infuse your home with Mediterranean charm. Embrace the color palette. Incorporate warm, earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and deep blue into your walls, furniture, and decor. Invite natural materials. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and wrought iron to add warmth and texture. Think exposed wooden beams, stone fireplaces, and wrought iron accents. Embrace textiles. Introduce textiles with bold patterns and rich textures. Think Turkish rugs, Moroccan throws, and embroidered cushions. Let there be light. Maximize natural light and choose lighting fixtures that cast a warm and inviting glow. Bring in the outdoors. Incorporate plants into your decor to bring a touch of nature indoors. Olive trees, citrus trees, and herbs are all excellent choices. Remember, creating a Mediterranean-inspired home is all about capturing the essence of the region. It's about creating a space that is warm, inviting, and full of life. So, embrace the colors, textures, and materials of the Mediterranean, and most importantly, have fun with it.